Hello everyone, I'm Abdullah. I'm in my first year at York University studying the biomedical sciences. Today we'll be using some items around the kitchen to observe changes in buoyancy. We will be using eggs for this experiment, so be sure not to crack them. For this experiment, you will need a measuring spoon, salt, measuring cups, water, 2 glasses, and 2 eggs. Start by filling up 2 glasses with 1 cup of water. Then dissolve 6 teaspoons of salt in one of these cups. Then carefully place each egg into the cups and observe whether or not the egg sinks or floats. What we observed was that the egg that was in the cup with salt in it had floated, whereas the egg that was placed in the cup without salt had sank. See, when we place an object in water, it displaces an equal volume of water as the volume of the object itself, kind of like stepping into a bathtub and seeing the water level rise. And there are 2 forces that act upon an object that's placed onto water, an upward force called buoyancy and a downward force called gravity. It should be noted that the salted water is denser than the water that had no salt in it, as dissolving a soluble mass in a solution increases that solution's density. The density of the 2 eggs was kept the same as they're the same object, so the gravitational force downwards is more or less the same for each of the objects. However, the buoyant force upwards differs in each of the 2 glasses. Since the egg was denser than the water that had no salt in it, it sank, but since it was less dense than the water that did have a saltier solution in it, it floated. If we use different objects and kept the density of the water the same, we can actually determine if an object is more dense or less dense than the water itself by observing if it sinks or floats. Try this experiment out at home and tag Pueblo Science in your results. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for more content. Do comment down below what you'd like to see us try next time. Have a great day.